Hey guys, to deal us, learn how to create a poll on YouTube. So if you guys want to go and create a poll on your YouTube account or on your YouTube community so that you could ask, of course, your followers what they want and what specific answers you want to get from them. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how, right guys? So what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the YouTube application. And I want you to log onto your preferred accounts. Once you're already here, let's tap on the library options. And I want you to go to the option to view your channel. Now, let's go ahead and tap on this profile option in the top right corner. And let's tap on your channel. Now, we have some tabs over here. I want you to tap on your community tab. As you see, you could actually go ahead and tap on share an image to start a caption contest. Or you could also go ahead and proceed with tapping on this option right here to create a poll. So, as you see, you could actually proceed with adding some poll options. I'm gonna tap on text. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on maybe, yes, and no, and ask a random question to your community or whatever one that you'd like to get answers about. Go ahead and just tap one post. Once you're done, that's how you guys could easily create a poll for your YouTube community on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys would learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.